Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hello, it is nice to meet you. My name is Shelly, aka Makeup Jeannie, and today we're going to be doing a Halloween look, finally. So I figured I'd start out with something simple, and I wanted to do Wednesday Addams. So this is all I really have. Like, this shirt is actually from my Belle costume from last year, and yeah, it's a little bulky, I guess you could say. And then all I had was this black turtleneck. So we're just gonna make it work today. And at first I'd like to do the more original Wednesday Addams in the, I think the 90s series. I don't know, it's been a while. I haven't watched it all, like the whole entire series. I should probably do that. And then after that, maybe kind of glam it up a little bit. I have a reference here on Pinterest that I'm looking at, and I'll probably share that up in the corner here for you guys from time to time as I'm like doing this look. Now she's a young girl, she doesn't really care about makeup that much, so I have a feeling that this will be pretty easy. The first thing that I notice is that she's quite pale, so I am going to use the most palest foundation that I own, and this is the Maybelline Superstay. Yeah, 24-hour foundation in 110 porcelain. Kind of roll up my sleeves here so I don't mess them up. Oh yeah, that's definitely pale. If I really wanted to glam it up, I'd probably do white face paint and blacks and grays and all of that. Which, if you guys would like to see that, just let me know. I'll do it. So I primed my face with that Pixie rose oil that I showed you guys in the microfiber sponge review thingy. I don't think my skin likes this foundation, but I'm going to use it anyway. And my ears are going to be covered with the braids, so I'm not going to worry about getting my ears. I'm probably going to be doing a lot of fast forwarding, so this video isn't like hella long. Yeah, this foundation is full coverage and it's mattifying, and my skin does not like that. Oh well. I am gonna leave my nose ring in. Okay, now her eyebrows they're not extremely defined by any means. They are a little thicker, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just sloppily thicken up my eyebrows. There we go. Thick and not extremely defined. And actually, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just leave my eyes the way they are, because she has kind of, you know, like kind of sunken in dark circles around her eyes kind of type deal. So I don't think I'm gonna mess with those right now. And I haven't been getting much sleep, so this is a perfect time to do Wednesday Addams. Even though my face is a little dry because of this foundation, I still am going to set it, because as I was doing my eyebrows, I noticed that this foundation definitely does move. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set it with my RCMA No Color Powder real quick. And I'm just using the limited edition Wet n Wild P53 bronzer brush in the Fire collection. Well, Fire and Ice collection. Definitely going to set my neck, so hopefully I don't get it all over my white shirt here. Okay, now that I'm looking all nice and pale and washed out, I do want to do a little contouring. She does have quite a round face, and I think I'm going to go ahead and use the Highlight and Contour Palette by IBY Beauty. And I'm going to use the Contour 3 shade. I don't want to go too warm. And okay, so more round. So I'm just lightly kind of, you know, shaping my cheeks here to make my face just look a little bit more round. I'm not a huge contour expert, but I know that's one way to make your face look rounder. And I'm just using a very light hand and little product. Don't want to go too crazy. And I'm not gonna contour in this area because that'll actually make my face look a little bit smaller. So we're not gonna do that either. Nice round face. And her lips are bare because, you know, she's a child. She doesn't care about any of that stuff. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair right in the center as much as possible anyway. Just use my brush. Why not? Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth my hair down a little bit because of course it's a little frizzy. I'm gonna use the one and only Argan Oil Spray Treatment, Instant Shine and Smoothness. So just gonna lightly spray some of that. I'm gonna smooth it down a little bit. Okay, now that I have my part centered, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the Too Faced Natural Matte palette, and I'm going to use Sexpresso because I think the black is just a little too dark. I mean, I am going to use, you know, like a black and white filter, so maybe you won't even notice, but just in case. It's really black right there, but whatever. I'm scared to do a widow's peak, but I'm working on it. Is that too far down? I feel like that's too far, like too much of a widow's peak. And of course it's not completely centered. It's probably my eyeballs. I don't have good eyesight, so probably has something to do with it. I think we're just gonna go with that. Now I'm just blending so it doesn't look so weird. Now I'm actually mixing the black and the brown together. Is it looking stupid or is it looking kind of cool? You know, it's fun. That's what matters, right? It's fun to do. It looks super scary, that's for sure. This would be perfect for a Halloween party, you know? It's just some really, really light foundation, filling in your eyebrows a little bit thicker. If you guys have thick eyebrows, then you're good to go. The widow's peak, I mean, you don't even have to do anything to your eyes. No concealer, nothing like that. And the lips, you don't even have to do anything there. If you want to go for, you know, the more original look. So I think I'm going to glam this up a little bit somehow. And I'm just going to fast forward through it all, show you guys what I'm using, and just enjoy, I guess. Okay, so once again, I was not recording, apparently. I'm a little angry about it, but it's okay. I'm going to walk you guys through what I just did, and then we'll continue. So I used the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer for my eyebrows, and then I went and emphasized my widow's peak, and I used the Catrice Cosmetics Long Lasting Brow Definer, and it's literally like a marker. So it makes really nice like hair strokes. They're very dark, so with a light hand I tried to do that and blend it a little bit, and then kind of did like some kind of part right here, make it look like a part. I don't know. I was just experimenting. And then I went ahead and used the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Fair Clair and the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral on my eyes and under eyes. I went ahead and used this highlight and contour palette again by IBY Beauty using Contour 3, and I just went and chiseled out my cheekbones just a little bit more and framed around my jawline to kind of make my face just look a little bit smaller. And I did that using the same Wet n Wild bronzer brush. Moving on to the eyes, I went and used this Eco Tools fluffy crease brush. You can use any fluffy crease brush, it doesn't have to be Eco Tools. And then I went in with the Too Faced Natural Matte palette, and I started with Strapless. It's like this, it's pink, but it's muted. It's really muted. It reminds me of like a bruise, pretty much. So that's why I kind of use that, because she has like sunken in eyes in a way. And then I went and used Espresso with this brush, which is a Luxie 237 blending brush. And I started just defining the crease. So that's where we're at. And I'm gonna go ahead and continue with what I was doing. I apologize for this not recording crap. I need to get it together. Okay, I think I'm done with the Glam Wednesday Addams. I still wanted it to look, you know, kind of like Halloween-y, you know? I didn't want to go all crazy with highlight and stuff like that. My foundation is definitely looking so dry and cakey, but let's look past that. I think I have realized that I do not like this foundation. It is not for my dry skin. If you guys have oily skin and this works for you, more power to you, because that, But anywho, my hair is kind of falling out, of course. Just pin it back again, I guess. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it. I hope I can do more Halloween looks. I know that I'm going to be traveling and stuff and all of that, but I'm still going to try to, like, you know, give you guys some inspiration on some Halloween makeup. If you guys are wondering all the products that I used, if I just, you know, if I flashed them like too fast for you or whatever, don't worry, they will be in the description box below for you. I really hope you liked today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't a part of the Jeannie family yet, please subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Talk today. And then I went ahead and used my Maybelline. And then I went ahead, oh my gosh. This is my costume. I'm a homicidal maniac. They look just like everyone else.